Hidden in the heart of Iran are breathtaking masterpieces of Islamic architecture, sites where history, art, and spirituality intertwine. In this video, we'll explore 5 astonishing Iranian Islamic sites that reflect the rich cultural legacy of Persian craftsmanship and devotion. From soaring minarets to stunning mosaic domes, prepare to be amazed by the beauty and brilliance of these timeless treasures. Number 1. Nasir al-Mulk Mosque, also known as the Pink Mosque. Nestled in the heart of Shiraz, Iran, the Nasir al-Mulk Mosque, popularly known as the Pink Mosque, is a stunning example of 19th century Qajar architecture. Commissioned in 1876 by Mirza Hassan Ali Nasir al-Mulk, a wealthy Qajar aristocrat, the mosque took 12 years to complete and was finalized in 1888. Designed by Mohammad Hassan-e-Memar and Mohammad Reza Kashi-Saz-e-Sirazi, the structure reflects the artistic richness of the Qajar era, blending traditional Persian elements with newer aesthetic ideals. What sets the Nasir al-Mulk Mosque apart is its breathtaking use of colored glass and intricate tilework. Unlike many mosques that emphasize grandeur through scale or domes, the Pink Mosque captivates through its play of light. The stained glass windows, combined with richly decorated arches and the mosque's eastern-facing prayer hall, create a kaleidoscope of color when morning sunlight passes through, earning it its romantic nickname. Historically, the mosque was part of a larger religious and charitable complex funded by the Nasir al-Mulk family, reflecting the common practice among Iranian elites to endow public works as acts of piety. Beyond its religious function, the mosque represents a transitional moment in Iranian architecture, bridging the classical Safavid style with modern interpretations under the Qajars. The mosque's nickname comes from the distinctive use of rose-colored tiles in its interior design, especially in the ceilings and muqarnas, a form of ornamental vaulting. These pink hues, rare in traditional Islamic architecture, give the structure a gentle warmth that enhances its serene atmosphere. Today, the Nasir al-Mulk Mosque is both a place of worship and a major cultural attraction. It stands as a vivid reminder of Iran's enduring artistic heritage and the spiritual role beauty has played in Islamic architecture for centuries. Number 2. Shah Mosque or Imam Mosque. The Shah Mosque, now officially known as the Imam Mosque, stands as one of the greatest masterpieces of Islamic architecture in the world. Located on the southern side of Naqsh-e-Jahan Square in Isfahan, Iran, it was constructed during the Safavid dynasty under the reign of Shah Abbas II. The construction began in 1611 CE and was completed in 1629, the year of the Shah's death. This mosque symbolizes the political, religious, and artistic ambitions of the Safavid Empire, which made Twelver Shia Islam the official religion of Iran. What makes the Imam Mosque historically significant is its seamless blend of religious function and architectural brilliance. It was not merely a place of worship, but a statement of imperial legitimacy and spiritual authority. The mosque was built to emphasize the Shia faith at the heart of Safavid governance, aligning religious devotion with royal power. The decision to construct the mosque facing directly toward Mecca, despite the square's different orientation, led to an ingenious angled entrance that preserved both urban harmony and religious correctness. The mosque is renowned for its magnificent tile work, especially its vibrant 7-color Haft-Rangi mosaics and detailed calligraphy, most of which was designed by the famed calligrapher Ali Reza Abbasi. Its grand dome, standing at 52 meters high, and the echoing prayer hall are architectural marvels that reflect not just the ingenuity of Persian engineers, but also their deep spiritual symbolism. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Imam Mosque is more than just an architectural gem. It is a spiritual and cultural icon. It continues to inspire architects, historians, and visitors from around the world, representing the zenith of Persian Islamic architecture and the enduring legacy of Safavid Iran. Number 3. Jameh Mosque of Yazd. The Jameh Mosque of Yazd, located in the heart of the ancient desert city of Yazd in central Iran, stands as a masterpiece of Persian Islamic architecture. Constructed over several centuries, the mosque's foundations date back to the Sassanid era, when a fire temple once occupied the site. However, the current mosque was primarily built during the 12th century under the patronage of the Alebuye dynasty, and underwent significant renovations and expansions during the Ilkhanid and Timurid periods, especially in the 14th century under al-Mulk. The mosque exemplifies the finest elements of Islamic architecture in Iran, particularly with its stunning high portal, pishtak, and twin minarets, the tallest in Iran, soaring over 50 meters. The intricate tile work in shades of blue and turquoise, especially the muqarnas and arabesques adorning the Iwan and dome, reflect the high craftsmanship of the Timurid period. The central dome chamber, supported by massive squinches, is a marvel of engineering and artistry. More than an architectural treasure, the Jameh Mosque has long served as the religious and social nucleus of Yazd. Its location on the city's main axis symbolized the central role of Islam in daily life. The mosque was not only a place for prayer, but also a center for learning, gatherings, and community decisions. Yazd's Jameh Mosque is also significant for its adaptation to the desert environment. Its tall wind catchers, badges, thick walls, and use of adobe and tile help regulate temperature, showcasing an integration of environmental wisdom with spiritual architecture. Recognized by UNESCO as part of the historic city of Yazd World Heritage Site, the Jameh Mosque continues to be a powerful symbol of Islamic Iranian identity, architectural ingenuity, and religious devotion, attracting scholars, pilgrims, and tourists alike. Number 4. Gonbad-e Qabus, Golestan Province. Gonbad-e Qabus, also spelled Gonbad-e Qabus or Qabus, is an architectural marvel located in Iran's Golestan province. Built in 1006 CE during the Ziyarid dynasty, this towering structure was commissioned by Shams al-Ma'ali Qabus ibn Wushmgir, a prominent ruler, scholar, and patron of the arts and sciences. The monument is one of the oldest and tallest brick towers in the world, standing at approximately 53 meters, about 174 feet, and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The structure was built as a tomb tower for Qabus himself, although no grave has ever been found inside. The absence of a visible burial site has led scholars to speculate that his body may have been suspended in a glass coffin from the ceiling or buried beneath the tower's foundation. The tower's function goes beyond being a simple tomb. It is also a powerful symbol of pre-Islamic Persian architectural traditions merging with Islamic aesthetics. Gonbad-e Qabus showcases exceptional engineering and design. It is constructed entirely of baked bricks, forming a perfect decagon at the base. Its conical roof, rising from a cylindrical shaft, is a remarkable feature that demonstrates the transition from the ancient Sassanid dome style to the more refined Islamic architectural language. An inscription in Kufic script encircles the tower, praising Qabus and recording the tower's date of construction. This monument reflects the cultural renaissance that took place in northern Iran during the Islamic Golden Age. Qabus was a patron of thinkers like the famed polymath al-Biruni, and the tower stands as a testament to that era's intellectual and artistic vibrancy. Gonbad-e Qabus remains a powerful representation of Persian Islamic identity and the enduring legacy of scientific and cultural patronage in the medieval Islamic world. Number 5. Sheikh Lotfollah Mosque, Isfahan. The Sheikh Lotfollah Mosque, located on the eastern side of Naqsh-e-Jahan Square in Isfahan, Iran, is one of the most exquisite examples of Safavid-era architecture. Commissioned by Shah Abbas Wad around 1603 CE and completed in 1619, the mosque was constructed as part of the larger plan to transform Isfahan into a majestic new capital of the Safavid Empire. Unlike many grand mosques designed for public worship, Sheikh Lotfollah Mosque was a private sanctuary built specifically for the royal court and the women of the Shah's harem, which accounts for its lack of minarets and a large courtyard, features typical of public mosques. Named after Sheikh Lotfollah al-Amili, a revered Lebanese Shia scholar who was invited to Isfahan by Shah Abbas, the mosque served as both a place of prayer and an ideological symbol. It reflected the growing power of Shia Islam as the state religion under the Safavids. The mosque's architecture was designed by Master Muhammad Reza Isfahani, who ingeniously constructed a subtle L-shaped corridor that redirects the entrance to align perfectly with the Qibla wall, an impressive feat of planning and geometry. The mosque's greatest fame, however, lies in its aesthetic brilliance. The dome is a masterpiece of tilework, changing color throughout the day as sunlight moves across its surface, shifting from cream to pink to gold. Inside, the stunning mosaic of arabesques, calligraphy, and geometric designs creates a mesmerizing space that reflects both spiritual and artistic grandeur. The absence of a minaret allows visitors to focus entirely on the interior's mystical beauty. Today, Sheikh Lotfollah Mosque stands as a symbol of Islamic architectural refinement and Safavid cultural power. It is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and continues to draw admiration from historians, architects, and travelers worldwide.